Welcome to episode 4 of Ask the Expert. My name's Karl Ortmanns. I get to lead the sales team here for the SuperTrak team. One of the questions that constantly comes up with customers is, where can I use SuperTrak? What are the environments that will actually be a fit for the platform? So one of the questions comes up often is, what type of environments do you see it? And it's fun to say we don't really have one that we haven't seen to date. From automotive, from life sciences, from food and beverage, from packaging, the applications and the environments are pretty well endless. The key ones that we do see on a regular basis, though, are the automotive in a facility where they're doing things like electronics or small parts with hard plastic components. And the other one that we'll start to see a lot is life sciences. Clean room certification is something that comes up all the time, and primarily because of particulate generation. Well, the great thing about SuperTrak is the only moving parts are the 4 wheels on the pallet or the shuttle, meaning that there's no moving parts, so you're not going to have a lot of particulate. And again, because of the way the system has been designed, things will fall down, so it's not going to actually fall into it. Instead of working directly on the track, you're now working away from it. Everything that we've talked about today in this very short series is our experience from deploying more than 700 of these systems lifetime. So, as we continue to work with others, we look at different experiences and environments, but as we continue to push the boundaries of where our system is. So not only did we invent it, we continue to innovate on it. And having conversations like this and sharing what's happening in the world only makes us better. So as you continue to look at for your environments or your applications, communicate with us. Chances are we've seen it, and if we haven't, we'll figure it out together. So that wraps up today's short session. If you have any questions, we're more than happy to help. It's something that we enjoy the most. Please contact us at questions@supertrakconveyance.com, and we'll be excited to see you in the next episode.